Furnace and air change out here. We're taking out, I don't know what this is. I can't read it, but we're putting in a 2-ton. And it's an 80,000 BTU, 90% in there now that we're getting rid of. Putting in a 60,000. And Corey's doing inside today. Beautiful lot here. Looks like we're right on a lake. But the lake's a ways down. August 11th, 2020. So, taking out an 80, putting in a 60 here. Should increase that filtered boot to a 20. And get rid of the humidifier, right? Yep. Piece of cake. Yeah, we gotta drop a chimney liner down here. I don't know if I said that. Corey's getting this line set out of here, which is crazy, the way they used to do these things. Just to keep their 25 feet so the charge was right. They used to just coil it up wherever. Alright, so we got to get a canvas in that drop. Hopefully we can get rid of that hole there so we don't have to patch it. Now we're going to cut this off way up here around 79 inches or something. Take off this cap here and drop my liner through that cap. That'll seal up the top, and then we'll put that cap on over that. Our water heater chimney liner down. Just got to get it pitched right and anchor that to the, probably just caulk that to there. Got the sheet metal cut off over here, and we're rebuilding her. We get a height on our drop and hack that off. It's lunchtime, so chimney liner's out. The tree frog in there sitting on the edge. He jumped back down into the pipe when I went to get a picture of him. We heard him echoing down in through the pipe on the inside. So we got the new furnace in, sheet metal, chimney liner, and we're going to solder this up. We got nitrogen flow, of course. All of the burning thing. I cut the drop off twice because somebody can't do math. I'll take the blame. The biggest thing with soldering in here is not torching those wires or your sheet metal or your case coil and have them right angle. Wrap those lines to protect the TXV and the insulation on the bulb, on the suction line in there, otherwise you're going to have a fire inside your coil.
Are we almost out of oxygen?
Looks like something's running out. It's green, so it's hot enough. When you hear that hissing noise, that's the rag trying to put out your flame with steam. You better back off or get ready to relight it. Make sure you get some good penetration into the joint. Good. Okay, give me a headshot. Right there. That's how you do it. Frog got out of there. Getting, checking our combustion here. It's got the gas pressure at 3.5. Probably. Dial that down a little. 3.3? Yeah. Return air temp 74. What?
Sounds like she's going.
Yeah. In heating, 0.33. Really nice, really low. Perfect. Nice and straight now. Alright, we're all checked out in the heating. What's our temp rise?
About 40.
40. Alright. Kind of on the low end then.
Well, what is it at?
116.
So it's 42 there.
42 degree temp rise. Liner. Static pressure in AC is 0.36, almost same as heating. Should be, yeah, it's barely higher. Oh yeah, he sleeps all day, huh?
The heat lamp is going off.
Yeah, I just got one of those going for Shelly, and she won't come out from underneath her skateboard. She's supposed to be in a 100-gallon tank. She's supposed to have 90-degree basking light, or she can't digest her food properly. I read on the internet last night.
What species is she?
She's a cooter. She's from Louisiana. They're native to Louisiana, so.
Kendra's Valdetort is some other country, I forget.
Oh, he's a tortoise. You need to put that thing down. You can't be shaking it like that. That'd give somebody a headache. Hey, you. Hey, come here. Let me see you.
That's a nice shirt you got there.
We got that in Amsterdam when we were in Germany. Snow White got a new home, I heard.
In Germany?
Well, I assume. Yeah, because when Wolf died, she's rehoming all the dogs.
Huh.
Oh, you're such a good boy. Yeah. You're such a good boy. Don't you worry, I'll tell Patty about it. I'll tell her. I'll bring you home in my jacket. And I'll show her. Figgy?
Figgy's a real nice girl, too.
She is.
So he's gotta be nice.
Oh, they all eat the side of the dish routine.
He seems to like the soupy. And it's not warmed up really like I would. I wanted to hurry. My camera.
One little tan spot there on his front. You got one on the right side too?
He's got 2 cheek spots.
2 cheeks, but two here. You got one here, one on the other side? Oh, no, nothing over there.
He's got a lot by his tail, though.
He's got kind of a long neck.
He's got a long body.
Yeah, he looks like, he looks a lot like Owen
Does he?
from the 2010 maybe Chuck litter. They went to Genesis. But Owen, he had a lot of chicken.
He did. He was a darling.
Uber driver, let's drive home. Here you go. That was just a warm up. Crack it out there, Wally.
Right over, huh? Hit it out of the park.
There you go. Yeah.
Lucky number 13.
Woo!
Oh,
Oh, wow.